Hello, I'm Melissa from melissahenig.com, and I want to tell you how smiling has changed my life. So it's winter here. It's dark, the snow's coming down, and I got into a bit of a funk. And then with all my might, I just turned up just the corners of my mouth, like just that little bit. And my everything has changed. The negativity, the complaining has turned into ease and flow. Oh, so if you try it, you'll find that this works. So there is a lot of science behind a smile and how all the happy endorphins and the happy hormones are released, but you don't even need science. All you need to do is just smile and you can feel it. Okay. So when I smile, my body feels like it opens. I feel relaxed. I feel at ease. I feel peaceful. Just a little smile. I'm even waking up in the middle of the night and I'll smile. And I just go back to sleep. I used to wake up in the middle of the night and be kind of worried about what time it was or if I was gonna be tired the next day. And now I just go, and it's so awesome. Oh, I'm so happy to share about smiling and how profound it can be. This simple thing can be so profound. So please comment below and let me know if you start smiling more and how it feels in your body. Tune into the feeling you get when you smile. Have a blessed day.